Hello everybody, I'm going to show you this real quick so I can get it vacuuming because it's going to take a couple minutes. Just showing you that that's pretty empty. Put that back into my S5 roborock. Let it talk to me. We are going to be cleaning this floor and then telling it to go back to its home docking station. Then we're going to check how well it cleaned by using my Kirby vacuum, which is a pretty good vacuum, and it has a tester on it that will show you what it all collected. So I'm going to tell it just to clean that room. We're going to put on turbo, which is its max suction, and we're going to tell it to clean it only once, because if you're using the automation on it, it would only clean once. It does not have it set up yet to where you can tell it, hey, automatically clean that room 3 times. So I'm going to click clean. It's going to leave the spot and clean the whole way while it gets there. I don't really like that. I wish it would just... My camera keeps flickering for some reason. And I'll show you guys what I mean by my Kirby. My Kirby's right here, you can kind of see it. I gotta put the attachment on it. That's the original bag. Take that off. Let's watch that go in there though, so you know I'm not scamming you guys. It's doing this room. We'll see how much dust it collects in that bin. It hasn't been swept in about 6 hours. Oop. Gonna move this out of its way. Okay, so it's cleaning this room. Show it on the app. Oop. I call it my dog because I'm always talking to it like a dog. Are you being a good boy? And as you can see, it's cleaning that room. Had to move that real quick. Okay, so while it's doing that, I'll show you guys what I mean by my Kirby. Kirby is what I always use, and it's a pretty highly rated, good suction one. A lot of people have tried to come to the house and be like, hey, I got a better vacuum than that. Well, then I pull this thing out, which is made by Kirby. It's a salesman sample. It says Kirby right on it. And you put this where you'd normally have that. I need to clean it. I haven't used it in a while because this is my vacuum I've had for years. Then you have these little filters. Notice it's clean. We're going to put that in there. And then it goes in between. You flip this down. It's hard to do with one hand. Flip that up. The screen's just dirty. But there's no dirt on that pad. Now after it's done vacuuming, we will take this over it, and anything that it sucks up will go into this, and it'll be like a sample of what was still in your floor. When they sell Kirby's, they'll come to your house and be like, well, what's your vacuum? And they'll vacuum a little spot, and then they will get the Kirby out with that on there, and they'll be like, well, look how much more the Kirby picks up. I thought that's a great example of what I should do with this. So we're going to have it do this whole room. May not be any dirt that comes out because I just got this this roborock S5 a couple days ago, and I just keep playing with it, telling it to clean the floor. That should zip and get it done quick. There it goes. It even goes underneath there, which it may have already done that, which my Kirby cannot do. Let's watch what it's doing on the app. It already went underneath the thing, so you missed the best part of cleaning that room. Okay, the app is not perfect yet. Yeah, it goes under there, cleans a few spots. Somehow it went... That left side is where I normally keep my vacuum at, and it actually went into my closet and cleaned my closet floor. So it'll probably get a lot of dirt up this time. Looks like it's going to go under there again. Nope. It's a bit delayed because it's clear down by the door right now. Now let's make sure it's still on turbo, or max. It's on max, so it's using its max suction. This is a pretty heavy trafficked area. We only have one closet in the house, and so everybody goes to that closet. Also, with a normal vacuum, you smell the freshness, or you smell something for sure. Could be the dust coming out of the carpet, but when these sweep, you don't smell anything. I kind of miss the smell of, hey, somebody just vacuumed. Does still put the lines in the carpet. Its own version of lines. But doesn't pick up everything. It could be dirt or stain. Stain, and I think that's tape. Seeing how long I can leave it there before the girlfriend's like picks it up herself. Should be almost done. Okay. It's going back to the dock. We'll see how much dirt it has in it once it gets back there. So you're gonna miss my vacuum? No, it drove right over it. Look at that. Guess I shouldn't have got my other vacuum out so quick. Good content right here. Oh, come on, thing. Yeah, go back. No, don't go back that way. I would clip that out, but then people would think I put dirt in the dustbin. Once it says charging, we will pull the dustbin and see how much is in there. Charging. Okay, so let's pull this up. I did get some for not having, so we got a little bit in there. You could see the whole filter before. Not even worth cleaning, but we'll see how much more the Kirby pulls out. Yes, installed. I went ahead and plugged in the vacuum while you guys were watching the screen. Guess I could show you guys that it's done. I move the vacuum around. 7 minutes to clean that floor. And that's how well it cleaned. So I'm going to clean all the same areas that it cleaned, even though it cleaned the whole bluish area while it was going there, and the yellow area. And hopefully I can do this with one hand. There we go. Show you it's still empty. That's just the screen. We'll vacuum. I don't know why my phone just shut off like that. Okay, now I only cleaned the floor once, but normally when I vacuum I go this way and then this way because this gets bent one way. And the heavy trafficked areas I clean up twice. So we'll see how much is in there, and I monitored it, and there's some in there. So let's see how much is in there. How much the roborock did not get. And that is a lot. Mostly just lint crap that the roborock could probably get on its next round. Or maybe it's from deep in the carpet. I won't really know. Maybe somebody else can do a better video. But it's got me thinking, I wonder how much is still in the floor. So let's put another one on there. Put that one right there. Show my girlfriend that new technology isn't as good as something that's been out since the 70s. I do this to people and then they freak out because they're like, who has this filter thing to where you can show that your vacuum cleaner is awesome? That's how confident Kirby is. Okay, now we'll vacuum it again and see if I just get that much again. Because if I get that much again every time, it's just, that's what's under the floor, which the roborock would never get. But the Kirby would, because it has the suction to suck it right out of the carpet. Most vacuums would. But If I get that much again, that just means that's how much I always get. It ain't the floor, it's what's under the carpet. Okay. Looks like we got about the same amount. And my speed versus the roborock, I was going super fast. Sweeping at a fast pace. Because Kirby's have a drive and then a neutral. Neutral is you have to manually push it. And they're so heavy that they put their own little motor in it that helps you push. I got a little bit less. If we put these side by side, let me put down my phone for a second. If you compare, I got a little bit less. And unless you're a germaphobe, unless you're a germaphobe, like you're not going to have perfect carpets. I'm sure the roborock could outdo the Kirby when it comes to hardwood flooring because you're not sucking it from the underneath of the carpet, the padding that's underneath. The Kirby's doing that. Darn phone. The roborock will not. It kind of just sweeps the top. It has good suction. It may be sucking up a little bit, but obviously it missed that much in a little room. This is a very small room compared to like a living room or if your kitchen is all done. But I'll still use the roborock because I don't have to do anything, and it also picks up bugs, and I have a lot of bugs in this house. But hopefully this video helps somebody determine if they want a roborock or any of them. It's the roborock S5, not the S5 Max, just the S5. And this is the Kirby. Who knows? Oh, there it is. I found it in a garbage. Somebody had just got it for Christmas and they used it, and one of the connections fell off, and I ended up fixing it, and it's done me good since. And it looks like crap because I kept it in a room with the water softener. But yeah, it'd be cool if Kirby came out with something that could suck clear through the floor like this one does. But hopefully this helped you out.